So let's check out a little bit of music theory. Most music theory is based on the major scale, and that major scale is the foundation that almost every other formula is compared to. So it's very important that you guys understand that first. Let's check out what a major scale is. First of all, we'll play it in C. And for C, C major, there are no sharps or flats. It's all natural notes. So let's just play a C major scale up. It goes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. If we were to play that on one string, you would see that it is from C to D is a whole step, then a whole step to E, then a half step to F, a whole step to G, a whole step to A, a whole step to B, and a half step back to C. So again, that is whole step, half step, and then whole step, half step. So that's 2 wholes, 1 half, 3 wholes, 1 half. And that formula is very important because it applies to any note. So if you started with F, for instance, you could go F, whole step to G, whole step to A, half step to B flat, whole step to C, whole step to D, whole step to E, and a half step to F. All right, so that formula can be applied to any of the pitches, and you just move around like that. One very important thing to know about scales is that you always want to have them in alphabetical order. So going back to the key of F, you wouldn't want to call that A sharp because you'd be skipping a letter of the alphabet. Okay, you can't have F, G, A sharp, C. You'd want to call that B flat so that you have all 7 letters, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. And that's the basic idea behind all of the different keys, forming a major scale using that formula off of any of the 12 pitches. All right, so let's try this on the 4th string now, and we'll play the D major scale. So the open 4th string is D. Go a whole step higher than that, and at the 2nd fret, you have E. A whole step higher than that is F sharp. A half step higher than that is G. A whole step higher than that is A. A whole step higher than that is B. A whole step higher than that is C sharp. And then a half step higher than that is D. There you can clearly see that the half step is always between the 3rd note and the 4th note of the scale and the 7th note and the octave. Okay, octave means that it's exactly 8 notes higher. So it's basically the same letter name just in another register.